What's going on YouTube? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a low fade on one of my clients, so stay tuned. We're going to start off by debulking the sides with a 2 guard all the way open, followed by a 1 guard all the way open, going with the grain. Now that we're done debulking the sides, we're going to switch over to our FX and create our first guideline. Once we're done balding them out with our FX, we're going to switch over to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using the lever midway and all the way closed will help you remove that initial guideline. We're going to continue with that same guideline along the backside. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our 1 guard all the way open. You're going to use this same guard to soften up that guideline and get it ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line, we're going to move on to our half guard all the way open. I ended up taking the guard off and switching over to our no guard all the way open just so I could remove a few dark spots that I see. Moving on to the back side, we're going to continue with that same guideline and use our 1 guard all the way open. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Once we're done softening up the line with the 2 guard all the way closed, we're going to move on to our 1.5 guard all the way open. Once we finished with our 1.5 guard all the way open, we moved down to our 1 guard all the way open just so I can remove a few dark spots that I see. I usually balled out my clients in the beginning, but I just left it to the end. Switching over to the back side again, we're going to use the 2 guard all the way open just to soften up the line and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now we're using the 1.5 guard to remove the line. There's still some darkness near the occipital bone, so I took my 1 guard all the way open and cornered it up. Moving on to his hairline, using the 1 guard all the way open, we're going to debulk the flyaway hairs. Starting off in the middle, we're going to slowly etch in his lineup. be starting the C cup from the bottom and moving our way to the top. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. When lining up the mustache, you want to make sure you're very nice and gentle, just so the teeth of the clipper don't bite the lip. Now that we're done with our finishing touches, we're going to move on to our Turkish razor and make him as crispy as possible.